Let us now discuss about setting margins.
Margin refers to the amount of space which is left from the edges of a paper where the text actually begins to appear. MS Word allows you to set the margins on all four sides of the document, that is, top, bottom, left and right. The default margins are 1 from top and bottom and 1 from left and right margins. Select the View tab. Click on the Print Layout button in the Document View group. To change the left or right margins, point to a margin boundary or the horizontal ruler. When the pointer changes to double-headed arrow, drag the margin boundary. To change the top or bottom boundary, point to a margin boundary on the vertical ruler. When the pointer changes to a double-headed arrow, drag the margin boundary.
Let me now guide you how to specify exact margin measurement.
Select the Page Layout tab. Click the Margins button in the Page Setup group. A drop-down list of options appears. Normal is selected by default. Select the predefined margin size you want. Or select the Custom Margins option. The Page Setup dialog box will appear. On Margins tab, click on the up or down arrow next to the top, bottom, left and right. List boxes to increase or decrease the margin settings respectively. In Apply To box, choose any option and click on OK.
Okay, students, another tip for you. You can also change margins for the selected text in a similar manner. Alright, students, now we will talk about setting paper orientation.
The default setting of a paper is Portrait, which displays the page in a vertical order. To change the paper orientation, follow the given steps. Select the Page Layout tab. Click on the Orientation button in the Page Setup group. Click the Landscape option. Click on OK and observe the change.
Let me now tell you how to set paper size.
In MS Word, you can work with different sizes of paper, but the available selections depend on the type of printer you use. Select the Page Layout tab. Click the Size button in the Page Setup group. The current paper size is highlighted. Select any size option. The paper size of the document changes, or click on the More Paper Sizes option. The Page Setup dialog box will appear. Click on the Paper tab. Select the size from the displayed list under Paper Size selection. Observe the change in Preview block and click on OK.
Okay, students, let me describe you how to preview a document.
Word offers a facility to preview a document before sending it to print. You can visualize how the document will look like by using Preview option. How to preview a document. Click on the Office button, then go to Print, then go to Print Preview. The document opens in Print Preview format. Click on the Zoom button and click on OK. Move the mouse pointer on the page. Notice that the shape of the pointer changes to a magnifying glass with a plus symbol inside it. Click anywhere on the page to zoom it. Now you can read the text of your document but can't see the whole page. The symbol of plus in magnifying glass changes to minus sign. Click on the Zoom button again to return to the regular mouse pointer. Click on the One Page button to view only one page. Click on the Two Pages button to view two pages. Click on the Close Print Preview button to return to the document window.
Let me give you another tip. If you click anywhere on the page, its size will switch over to previous size. Alright students, now we will talk about printing a document.
After you have approved your document's appearance, using Print Preview mode, you are ready to print it. You can print the active document by clicking on the Office button and selecting Print option. Further, click on Quick Print. This sends a print command to your printer which prints every page of your document.
Steps which you should follow in order to print all pages or a part of your documents are:
click on the Office button and move mouse on the Print option. Click on the Print option. The Print dialog box opens. Select the printer which is installed in your system. Under Print Range section, specify the range of pages you would like to print, either all, current page or pages. In Pages section, you can specify the page number such as 2, 3, 5 or a range, example 1, -5. To print more than one copy at a time, enter the number of copies in the Number of Copies box. Click on the Properties button to change the page orientation. Open the Adobe PDF Settings tab and select the Page Size box and choose the paper size from the drop-down list. Click on OK to come out from the Properties dialog box. Check the box if you are printing multiple copies of a multiple-page document. Click on OK to print the document. Let us quickly glance through the key points discussed in this chapter. Format Painter tool is used to copy the formatting effects of a piece of text to another selection. The subscript and superscript option places the selected text slightly below and above the line of normal printed text respectively. Replace option in Word offers the facility to search a particular word and replace it with a new word. Header and footer is used to place important information on top and at the bottom of every page respectively. Margin refers to the amount of space which is left from the edges of a paper where the text actually begins to appear.